FlyPlates. Right inside of here in FlyPlates, there are now over 203 templates. Now, as a starter, as a freemium user, you get access to everything inside of General. So there's 33 templates inside there that you get access and growing. So you can see these little arrows right here. These arrows indicate that there is actually a subcategory underneath them. So if you are in customer service, which is a large percentage of you guys out there, finance, human resources, marketing, recruitment, and sales, all of you guys make up majority of our users. And then, of course, there's general. So all of these FlyPlates you can have access to. And if you like our message or you want to use it as a baseline, you just open it, simply add it to your fly cuts, put it into a category, and boom, away you go.